A bit. Add your carnaroli rice, which can only be found here in northern Italy. Actually, it was produced here, but you can find it anywhere in Italy. Vino bianco to infuse the taste. And that was the vegetable broth that I was talking a while ago, right? You have to patiently pour it by bits. In making risotto, always make it sure that you have to gradually pour the broth, for the better taste of it. Before it was just a simple salt and pepper to taste. Toss in a butter. I use the light one so that it's not too heavy because I have the fresh extra virgin olive oil. And that one is a nutmeg. I learned it also from her. Who will never put the king of all cheese, which is the Parmesan, aged 12 months. And look how cremoso I've got in stirring it and by gradually putting the